Good day, everyone. Today we are going to be looking into how to create your own sound for your videos. All right. So we'll be needing two apps for this. We'll be needing ChatGPT and we'll also need the Suno app. All right. So once you have these two apps, we'll move right into the process. If you don't have it, you could download ChatGPT from Play Store and you could also download Suno app from Play Store. So next is to click on ChatGPT. Once you click on ChatGPT, you instruct it to do what you want. Now, in doing this, you could decide to use any beat of your choice. It could be the Afro beats, it could be the hip hop, it could be the R&B, it could be the rock, whatever beats you desire, you could input it into this process. So now let's do this for example. Write an Afrobeat danceable song for my daughter's birthday party. Write an Afrobeat danceable song for my daughter's birthday party. So you click on that and we are going to hold on a little and wait for it to generate. Okay. All right. You can see that it has generated the song. So all you need to do is to copy this song. You copy the song. It's a bit tricky there. Okay, we've gotten it. So you copy the song, copy everything, copy it. Okay, so we've copied the song, copy it. Then once that is done, the next thing to do is to go to your Suno app. All right, we're going to the Suno app. Okay, so go to the Suno app. Okay, so once we get to the Suno app, the next thing to do is to click on the music icon. Click on the music icon. All right, so you click on the music icon. Once you click on the music icon, you paste that lyrics that you copied from ChatGPT. You can see it's copied already. It's copied from ChatGPT. So you paste it here. Once that is done, you select your song description. For me, my song description is, I want the song to be a female voice and I want it to exhibit guitar and all this. You could decide if you want it to be rap, synth, orchestral, whatever you want it to be, you click on that. So for me, I want it to be the female vocals, the guitar and the electronics. So I do that. Then you could decide to add a song title, so you can go back to your song and you write the title of your song. Today na your day, so I will be putting that there. Today day. All right. So once that is done, I click on create. All right. So we need to wait for it to get out the songs. All right. We can see now that the song is ready. So all you need to do is to play the song to listen to it. If it is something you like, you download it. So let's listen to the song. Hey, everybody make some noise. Oh, it's a birthday. It's a birthday. Let's play. Today now your day. Shine your light. Clap your hands. Dance all night. Blow the cake. Make a wish. All right. So we have gotten the song already. You can see how easy it is. So the next thing you do is to click on these three dots here. You click on these three dots here. Once that is done, you can see here that you could download the song. So you can then click on download, and once you click on download, the song is saved into your device. So that's exactly how you could create your own sounds for your videos. It could be for your business, it could be for anything at all. So you generate that through the process and create your lovely sounds, personal to you and you alone. Thank you for watching, and if this tutorial was helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe to continue getting more tips. Thank you so much. God bless you.